Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today. We have a special unboxing for you, this time on our brand new PLGL Vortex insert range hood. We're going to show you what comes inside the box and also discuss our brand new blower packs that give you guys the option on what blower options you want. We've gone ahead and taken everything out of both boxes that you guys will receive after you purchase your range hood. And obviously first we have our range hood itself. Comes wrapped in some protective covering just to make sure the stainless steel doesn't get scratched in transport. Now we're also going to include our transition piece for you guys. And in this bubble wrap will come your manual as well as any installation pieces that you'll need to install your range hood. And also inside that main box will be a separate box for your stainless steel baffle filters, and these will all come inside of there. Now in that second box, depending on which blower pack you guys choose, whether the single or the dual blower, you guys are gonna receive the blower itself wrapped in some more plastic here, and then also some hardware that comes just below it inside the box. And that's just gonna come separate, but all together they build the range hood itself. So now let's take our first look at the range hood itself. Once we've unwrapped this, we're obviously going to see it's kind of a skeleton because we need to install that blower pack a little bit later, but let's just focus on some of the features that the range hood has itself. As you guys can see here, we have 4 lights that come on the top, and we have a couple different sizing options. So you might have a different light count depending on what size you get. In this insert model, we do have sizes from 28 inches all the way up to 58 inches. So it can accommodate a lot of different types of kitchens in your guys' homes. But these lights are great. They're actually omnidirectional. So if you guys push on that, you can direct the lighting down towards whatever you're cooking. Also, if we take a look in between our lights, we're going to see our push button control panel here. This is where we'll control everything on the range hood. So powering it on and off, controlling the 4-speed blower option inside of your range hood, whether you guys have the single or the dual option, whether you guys want to use the lowest and most quiet setting or the highest and most powerful, it's completely up to you. We also have a self shut off timer if you guys want to use that, and we can control the lights here. As you guys can see, we have a big empty space here. Like I said, that's where our blower pack will go. We have some dangling cords that we're going to need to do some work installing. So we're going to go ahead and bring one of those over and show you guys what that looks like once it's inside the range hood itself. Now we've gone ahead and brought out both of our different blower options for you guys to see side by side. And as you guys can see in front of me here, we have our single 600 CFM blower pack. This one next to me is going to be our dual blower pack offering the 1200 CFM. And that really just means instead of one blower being inside, we have 2. And that's why there's 2 different vents on the top of this range hood. So you guys are going to need to use our transition piece that we include because it offers 8-inch in diameter for your ducting. And that's required when you guys have this much CFM. But if you guys want to use that on your single CFM blower, it's totally okay. This just also offers the standard 6-inch ducting option that comes naturally. Now that we've talked about some of the key differences in our blower packs, let's focus on our single blower here now and head back to our range hood. So when installing this, the first thing we want to do, like I talked about a little earlier, is identify these 2 cords that need to be paired up with the blower pack itself. And it's very easy. We've color coded these. We have a black and a white one. So when you open your blower pack, just find the white and the black one, and we're just going to install and clip those in nice and easy. Now, we're always thinking here at Proline how to make your guys' lives easier, and we hear a lot of the time that installing the range hood is one of the bigger headaches, and that's just because of how heavy they can be, especially at larger sizes. And with this one being an insert, where it's going inside of custom cabinetry a lot of the times, one of the great thing about our blower packs is it makes it so installing a hood or getting your measurements is super easy, because now we just have the frame of our range hood, which is super light. So if you guys need to drop it down in or just find the right fit, you guys can do that with ease. So now what we're going to do is take our single blower as well as the hardware that came inside of that box. We're going to lay our range hood down here face flat and show you how to install the blower pack on top, because it really is very easy. Now for the next step in installing this, if you guys just want to grab both of these pieces, lay them flat on a table. It's very easy to install. Like we said, they are very light. So if you guys just want to pick this up, I just like dropping these 2 cords here in the base of our range hood. And then we're going to have some metal holes that we need to line up just for our screws that we'll do a little later. And then we'll just kind of push it down nice and snug on top of the range hood like that. We've gone ahead and sat our range hood back up now, just so I can show you guys how to install the wiring that we talked about. And it's very easy. Like I said, just grab the 2 black ones and then we'll pair those together and clip them in. And then if we do the same thing with the white, we'll just clip that in just like that. And we'll just tuck these kind of nice and inside. So when we install our baffle filters and things, they're not in the way. And then right after you guys have plugged those in, you'll see your range hood's going to work right away. We can control the lights that we discussed, as well as the power of the range hood. We can start to get some air there. So now that our range hood's ready, we've installed our blower pack on the back and made sure we screwed in each of those screws nice and tight. We've plugged in our electrical stuff that we need in order for the range hood to work. We can go ahead and install our stainless steel baffle filters. And to do that, we firstly need to install our grease tray. And this is very easy. If we just slide it into the bottom part of the range hood right here, there's some teeth kind of on the bottom side that will grab the edge, and we'll just slide it into place and it will sit nice and easy just like that. Now that our grease tray is installed, we can move ahead to the filters, and doing this is very easy. You guys will notice there's 4 holes here, and that's for our handles for the filters themselves. That's actually going to come inside of our plastic wrap in that transition piece where your manual is. So just make sure you guys are installing those. It makes handling these a little bit easier. We also have a white protective film on these, so make sure you guys just peel that off. It protects the stainless steel, but once it's off, they can work more efficiently in the way they're designed to. To put these in, it's very easy. If we just drop it into the base of the range hood here, I like going towards the middle just so it's easy. We'll push it back up top. Kind of there's a slot in here that will catch the range hood. We'll pull it up and then pull it back into place in the grease tray. Then we can slide these over and install all these. Depending on the size that you guys get, you might have a couple different spacers. They get installed just the same way, but it's very easy to get them in there. Once you've done the first one, you'll kind of see how it works. So there you guys have it. That's our brand new PLGL Vortex insert range hood, and we're really excited to bring this to you guys and give you some more customization options when it comes to what goes inside your home. So if you guys are still shopping around for any inserts, check out our full catalog at ProlineRangeHoods.com, and if you need any help selecting the perfect range hood for your home, just contact our customer support team. We're always there to answer any of your questions.